everyone, welcome back to my channel. So happy to have you here. Today's video we're going to be making this delicious barbecue beef short ribs. If you'd like to know how to make them, stay tuned. As always, everything you'll need for this recipe is listed at the beginning of the video, but I went ahead and started by adding my ingredients to a bowl. Go ahead and spread that dry rub onto your beef along with some olive oil. Make sure everything is coated well. If you have time, you can marinate this overnight. I did not have time, so I went ahead and cooked it right away, and it was still so good. So make sure after it's coated, you wrap it up real tightly. Shiny side of the foil up because we want to slow cook this, and pop it into your oven at 300 degrees for 3.5 hours. After 3.5 hours, your beef should look like this. It's ready to eat as is. As you can see, it's fall off the bone tender. At this point, just go ahead and rub it down with your favorite barbecue sauce. Just make sure it's a good quality one. Once that's nice and coated to your liking, pop it back into the oven. Set your oven to broil and broil it on high for about 5 minutes, and you're good to go. Voila! This is what you should have after that. The meat is fork tender. It's so juicy, so delicious. Please try it. Let me know if you like it. But this is all I had for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on my next one. Bye!